Talofa lava, everyone. God bless you for watching. I sure appreciate it. Subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff if you want to. Today I am driving out around and filming some local churches in my area where I attempt, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to attempt to sing my favorite hymn of all time. Fatai lava for watching. Enjoy the song. I will sing English and then Samoan versions. On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, an emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross, we're the dearest and best, for a world of lost sinners was slain. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Maunga e mama o tu ale SATAURO ata o le tinga malema langona ai le alofa lu alifa a ola mole la lo lange anga sala o te tu maui le SATAURO Seia o ina manu malo o te tu maui le SATAURO maua ai lo pale I se aso maua ai lo pale I se aso. Thank you so much for listening to the song. Bless you. Alofa from my family to yours. God bless.